Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I've had several requests over on Instagram to show how I organize my kitchen. So I thought I'd give you a quick tour of a very functional and simple way that I organize my kitchen for the best productivity. So let's start over here. So I have my dishwasher, and under the sink I keep my cleaning supplies, but only the ones that I use daily. I put my soap, my dishwashing supplies, and then this is a pull-out tray that I hang up my rags to dry. In the corner here, I keep all my cast iron and my stoneware, and the reason why I keep it over here is because I don't want to put it anywhere high or in drawers because it's extremely heavy. I also over here keep a strainer and a frother for my lattes. In the drawers here, this is my junk drawer. And I just keep extra pens, extra hair supplies, couple different things for hygiene. I have my thermometer, a cuticle oil, some nail clippers, some lip balm, and then just some office supplies, change. This is my tea drawer, all my teas. This is all my food wrap drawer. I keep my aluminum foil and parchment paper and cling wrap in the pantry outside of the kitchen. And this is, as you can see, I don't have any clean rags. They're all in a wash. But this is all my microfiber cloths, my dishwashing cloths, and then kitchen rags go there. Then over here I keep my oils. I have my sea salt, and I also have butter in here. I've got, like I said, oils, and then all my wooden spoons and spatulas are here. And I did a DIY on this, so I will link it down below or in the corner. Over here is all my glasses and my tea steeping mugs, and some extra tea that doesn't fit into my drawer. Then I have measuring cups and little prep bowl, glass prep bowls, and then I have my scale and my measuring spoons, measuring cups, these are plastic measuring cups, citrus press, and all the lids for all these prep bowls. And all the containers come from Dollar Tree. Then over here I have extra teas. They're the doubles from the ones that I have here. Cold medicine, pain medicine. Then I have my tea travel mugs, and these are all cups for the kids that they use, and then the straws for smoothies. I have the plastic ones that I use. Okay, so that's the left side of the kitchen. Now moving on to the right side, over here I just have other big spoons that I use and spatulas for the kitchen. I do want to replace this eventually. Over here I have my plates, my bowls, my mugs, my salad bowls, and then for leftovers. This is more decorative, so no function here. And then over here I keep my salt, peppers, and other seasoning. Then up here I've got baking soda, baking powder, and vanilla. And this just has my coconut oil. Above here is just pasta, soup noodles and pasta. And then my microwave, and then I have my coffee maker and my tea kettle. In this drawer are all the other kitchen supplies like can openers, garlic press, vegetable peeler, meat cutters, knives, the big knives, things like that. And these little containers came from Dollarama. This is my lunch bowls for kids' lunches. And then down here, which is, as you can see, a big mess right now, because nobody ever puts anything properly away. But I have my fridge smarts here and the lids to go with it, and then I also have these glass bowls for food storage, whether it's in a freezer or in a fridge. And over here in the corner, I have pots and pans. Then I have my Ninja, my handheld mixers, and lids. Here is garbage, which I have the recycling and garbage in here. And then over here are my spoons, forks, and knives. And I also keep lighters here and these little brown things for scraping cast iron and the stone, and food clips. And that's, oh, and I didn't show you my pantry. So the pantry is divided by breakfast, breads and snacks, spices, nuts, seeds, and sweeteners, and flour and corn. And I also keep extra containers for the fridge. Then above here, if I package snacks individually, I put them here. I got my cutting boards and a salad spinner. And this just contains extra stuff and my protein powders. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.